Hello everyone, welcome back to Noble Nest Gardens. If you're a beginner and wondering which vegetables are easiest to grow at home, this video is for you. Today, I'll show you how to grow tomatoes, mint, coriander, spinach, and chili peppers, even if you only have a balcony or small space. Let's get started. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are one of the most popular and beginner-friendly plants. Sunlight. They need 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight daily. Pot size. Use a medium to large pot with drainage holes. Soil. Use well-draining soil mixed with compost. Watering. Water regularly but don't overwater. Keep soil moist, not soggy. Tip. Support the plant with a stick or cage as it grows taller. In about 60 to 80 days, you'll start seeing beautiful red tomatoes. Mint. Mint is one of the easiest herbs to grow. Sunlight. It grows well in partial sunlight. Pot tip. Always grow mint in a separate pot because it spreads very fast. Watering. Keep the soil slightly moist. Care tip. Regularly trim the leaves to encourage bushy growth. Mint is perfect for tea, chutney, and fresh flavor in your kitchen. Coriander, cilantro. Coriander grows quickly and is perfect for beginners. Sunlight. Needs 4 to 6 hours of sunlight. Growing tip. Crush the seed slightly before planting to help faster germination. Watering. Water lightly and consistently. Harvest time. You can start harvesting in just 3 to 4 weeks. Fresh coriander adds amazing flavor to any dish. Spinach. Spinach is fast-growing and low maintenance. Sunlight. Grows well in mild sunlight or partial shade. Soil. Use nutrient-rich soil with compost. Watering. Keep soil moist but not waterlogged. Harvest. Ready in 30 to 40 days. You can harvest outer leaves first and let the plant continue growing. Chili peppers. Chili peppers are perfect for small spaces. Sunlight. Needs full sunlight for best results. Pot size. Medium-sized pot works well. Watering. Water when topsoil feels dry. Extra tip. When flowers appear, gently shake the plant to help pollination. In a few weeks, you'll have fresh green or red chilies ready to harvest. These 5 plants are perfect for beginners and can easily grow in small spaces. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment your favorite plant. Subscribe to Noble Nest Gardens for more gardening tips. Happy gardening, and I'll see you in the next video.